You have a background in teaching. You have taught AI and machine learning to a million students. Definitely, you have spoken about bias, and bias is something that we see in AI right now as well. Can you share why there is bias? Is this training data? What is it?
Well, it's our bias. it's it's us, right?
Okay.
So when algorithms train on training data, they are learning the patterns that are incorporated in the data. And I want to make this parallel with religion, because Christianity is very much incorporated, Western culture. It's the family values, and all of these things that are related to Christianity. Care about your family, care about your parents. Make a family of a male and a female, right? So these things, they are in the training data. So when the AI does not seem, let's say LGBT friendly or something like this, it is the bias of the people that have created the data.
Mm.
And if most of the people are, let's say, Christian, the from the training data set, you would have a bias towards, family values, traditional family
Mm.
values, and so on. If you train on, data from Buddhism, it would be more about, balance, and don't, and all of these things. And what the AI models right now are trying to do is they're trying to blend, all the points of view, Christianity and Buddhism and LGBT culture, and all of these things, and then produce answers which
Mm.
are uh, non-biased, but they're always biased in some way. We are biased.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
we are always biased, right? So in this way, I want to make just one tiny note. In the past, when we talk about bias, we talk about the bias in the training data that the researcher doesn't know about.
Mm.
So you take 100 data points, and I don't know, all of them are male, so the data is biased towards males. And yes, this is a very bad bias. This is not how science should be done. But in the case of GPT models and so on, it's more about the subtle biases that we have as people. And yeah, it's a problem, but it's a problem of society, and we are
Okay.
evolving. So once our society doesn't have, any bias, that's when the AI will have no bias as well.
Okay, so there's nothing we can do really to get rid of bias in AI right now.
Yeah, I guess if you get rid of bias, you're, biasing it away from being human.
Okay.
And we want it to be more human, but at the same time, we make it, stone cold with no, yeah.
Mm.
So, yeah.
Very interesting.